So now you downloaded the IntelliJ, let's open up the IntelliJ. So you click that, and then it's gonna pop, that thing is gonna pop up, and then we press the create new project. Then you'll see this, but just ignore everything and just press next, and then again next, and let's name the project name. And this time let's name it as HelloWorld. And also you gotta choose a project location. Just make a empty folder anywhere and just make that as your location and press finish. In my case, I already made it as a demo run, so that thing pops up, but ignore it. And then you're gonna see this page. Press the arrow and you will see the source file, and then right click it, new, and then press Java class, and then you enter the Hello World as the project name, and you're gonna see this public class Hello World with a bracket. Now you might be like, yo, slow down, I don't know what you're doing at the moment. But no worries, I'll explain to you guys eventually. So now just follow along what I'm typing. Public static void main, string, args, System.out.println, and hello world. You can pause here and type it down because I'm going to proceed. So now you will see a bunch of options. Now this is the Mac OS that I'm using, so it might be different for Windows, but what you need to do right now is build. You can just follow along my way if you're using the Mac OS. If not, just click the green hammer on the upper right hand corner. Now you can run it by following along what I just did, and you will see the Hello World printed on the bottom. And actually you can just run it by pressing the green arrow button on the upper right hand corner like you did for building the program. And there you go, you just created the first program in Java. So I'll explain 3 things out of this program that we just wrote. First is going to be class, second is going to be main method, and third is going to be statements. So here's the simple picture of the 3 things that I just talked about from the program that we just wrote. So to be more specific, the class is the outermost layer of the program. It starts with the keyword public class and then whatever the name of your file is. The name of your class has to exactly match the name of your file, including the capitalization. The class is enclosed by a set of curly braces, and all the codes you want to run should be placed between these 2 characters. And next is the main method. The main method is the wrapper that tells your computer which lines of code to run, and in Java it has a very specific series of keywords. It is public static void main, string, brackets, args. After the open curly braces, you should put each line of code you want the computer to run. And you should never ever forget to add the closing curly braces after all your codes. Later, when you actually get to code, you will encounter this problem, and this single mistake that you just made will cause the entire program to not run and cause a bunch of errors, and eventually you will think of committing suicide because of this. So never forget to add curly braces. And last but not least, statements. The statements are the lines of code for the computer to run. Each line is called a statement and should end with a semicolon. And again, never forget to put the semicolon. You will think of committing suicide. Not gonna lie, I'm that serious. Anyways, you can have as many statements as you want, and the computer will run each line from top to bottom, one after the other. So what we did today is we created a class named HelloWorld, or a program called HelloWorld, and we made a main method, and inside the main method we made a statement called System.out.println HelloWorld. And what this does is that it prints out this word hello world. Hopefully this video was useful, and I'll see you guys in the next video.